In this video, I will show you the basic operation of a virtual machine. I have the machine already created here, and if I want, it's not consuming any CPU or memory from my machine because it is stopped, but the hard drive is still using space in my hard drive. But if I want to run the virtual machine, I just select the machine, press start, and it will open a window here. This is the screen of the virtual machine. Okay, here this is the screen of the virtual machine. It isn't showing anything because I don't have an operating system installed, and it show me a message. The virtual machine, it tells me that the virtual machine doesn't have an operating system installed. VirtualBox hasn't been able to run the virtual machine, and so tell us if we want to use an ISO image for installing the operating system. We will see this in a later video, so we will work just with the empty machine. Another message here is the auto capture. The auto capture is because I will try to make this a little bigger. Okay, if I press, I click with my mouse inside the machine, then it will capture, they will show me this message. This is a warning, and it will, all the inputs from my mouse and from my keyboard will be redirected to the virtual machine. Okay, so if I press here, capture, then now you can see my mouse isn't moving, and all my keyboard is being redirected here to the machine. If I want to exit from the virtual machine and recover my mouse and my keyboard, I just need to press the host key here, the right control. In my case, it can be a different key in your particular case. When you have your keyboard and your mouse stuck in the machine, you just press that button and VirtualBox will release the controls, and you will be able to control your machine again. Okay. Once I'm done with my VirtualBox machine, I can stop it. I can do it by closing the window or file close, and it will show me some options. The first one is to power off the machine. The power of the machine is like unplugging the cable from the electricity, and it will stop immediately. Then if I had an operating system installed here, I could send the shutdown signal. It's like when you press the power button in your machine, it will send a signal to the operating system, and it will try to close in an ordered way, closing all the files and everything. So I will just power the machine. We will see this saving the machine state later. And now the machine is powered off. And in this case, when you have the machine stopped, you only have a hard drive. It's using only hard drive. When you start the machine, it's also using CPU and memory from your real hardware. And when you stop the machine again, the CPU and the memory is released, and it only uses hard drive again. Okay, and once we are done with the virtual machine, we can destroy it. Here, we can remove the virtual machine, and we have two options here. I can remember that when I created the machine, it had two files, a VBox file and a VDI file. VDI is the hard drive. It is the file which occupies the most of the space, and this is the XML configuration. If I press remove only, it would only destroy the XML file, but it will keep the hard drive. The hard drive usually uses a lot of space, so when you destroy a machine, you will probably want to delete all files and recover the space used by the hard drive. Now, for example, here, okay, those are the files. There are some more directories here. We won't see the logs, the snapshot. If I remove all files. I don't have the machine here anymore, and I don't have here the directory. All the information for the virtual machine has been removed. So this is the basic operation for the virtual machine. And in the next videos, we will see how to install an operating system and start doing something useful with our virtual computers.